Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to log out of Facebook. So to log out of Facebook, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now tap your profile in the bottom right corner on iPhone or the top right corner on Android, depending on your device and app version. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the menu until you see log out. Then tap log out and tap log out again if you're asked to confirm. If you're using Facebook on a computer, open Facebook in your browser, then just click your profile picture in the top right corner. And from the drop down menu, click log out, and you'll be signed out immediately. So if you want to sign back in again, so just click your profile, and that's it. If you want extra privacy, especially when using a shared device, you can also log out of Facebook on all other devices. So to do this, click your profile in the bottom right, then scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and go to Settings. Next, go to Account Center at the top. Then in here, select Password and Security. Now, once you select Password and Security, scroll down and under Security Checks, select where you're logged in. Then select your account. So in here, you can log out of individual devices or you can tap log out of all sessions if available to sign out everywhere at once. So select your device and select log out, then confirm your action, and that device will be logged out of your Facebook account. And that's it. So you're now logged out of Facebook and your account will stay secure until you sign in again. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.